Welcome back to Study Hour. Today, I'm diving into the amazing world of genes, those tiny DNA segments that play a massive role in shaping who we are. Whether it's your eye color, how you process milk, or even your risk for certain diseases, genes are behind it all. Stick around for some crisp explanations, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want more bite-sized science. So, what exactly is a gene? Think of a gene as a functional unit of heredity. It's a stretch of DNA with the instructions for building a specific protein. You'll find genes on chromosomes inside your cell nucleus. Each gene isn't just a simple code, it has coding regions called exons, and non-coding regions called introns. And don't forget the regulatory sequences like promoters and enhancers that decide when a gene gets switched on or off. Imagine zooming into a chromosome, finding a gene, and seeing it split into its exon and intron sections. Pretty cool, right? Now, what makes genes unique? For one, genes can have different versions called alleles. These are why you might have blue eyes while your friend has brown. Gene expression is another key feature. Genes can be turned on or off by things like transcription factors and epigenetic marks, a bit like flipping a switch. And here's a fun fact. Almost all living things use the same genetic code. DNA triplets or codons translate into amino acids, assembling proteins in nearly every organism on Earth. Why should you care about genes? Well, genes are central to inheritance. They're how traits pass from parents to kids. They guide development, telling a tiny embryo how to become a complex organism. And when things go wrong, like with a mutation, they can cause diseases such as sickle cell anemia or cystic fibrosis. Let's look at some real-world examples. The sickle cell gene mutation is a single base change in the hemoglobin gene. This tiny tweak leads to sickle-shaped red blood cells, which can cause serious health issues. Then there's lactase persistence. A regulatory mutation lets some adults keep digesting milk, while others can't. And the BRCA1 gene? Mutations here can ramp up your risk for breast and ovarian cancer by disrupting DNA repair. That's genes in a nutshell, nature's instruction manual for life. If this animation helped you out, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, share with your study buddies, and subscribe to Study Hour for more animated science deep dives. See you next time.